And there they go, off into the water. Very worthy seamen. Alexa begged and begged to do this, so we put it together so that she'd have a chance to be in the kayak before she left. We weren't sure if we wanted to do this or not, but she just wanted to do it, so we wanted to do it for her. This may not be pretty. Oh well. Here we go. See if Rich gets in it. Whoa. Okay, you better make your move. He's going to just move. He's in. And they got to paddle like hell. Here comes Shannon. Abandoned ship. Abandoned ship. They got to beat that wave. Oh, they made it. There they go. Let's see if they're synced. And they're paddling. Yep, they are. They're going. They made it beyond the waves. There's some surfers over here that are watching their progress to see if they need to take any hints or any tips from these two, because they did it so wonderfully. Where are they? Did we lose them? There they are, just paddling away. See if they're smiling. Can't really tell.